Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number one. For this, I'm going to take one of this beautiful shell-shaped, I think it's kind of a silver plate, and it's so gorgeous. I just wanted to decorate this, and it's like 99 cents from Goodwill. And all I'm trying to do is mixing a white paint with a little bit of caulk and also baking soda mixture, and I'm trying to apply it. I did like 2 coats, and I'm going to let it dry and come back after it is dried. This is how it looks after a couple of coats. I kind of like it like this with all white and thick paint on top of it. I also want those nice definitions on top of the shell. I wanted to sand it down and wanted to show those, so I'm trying to take one of the sanding sheet and trying to rub off where all those beautiful designs were showing off and on the edges as well, and I'm dusting it, and this is how it looks after I sanded it down. So what do you think? This video would be part of Refurbished Love for Spring, and this is hosted by Buffie from Buffie Designs and Lon from Living Life with Lon, and this happens every third Sunday of the month. In this challenge, we are supposed to take one of the old item that needs a new life. So it could be thrifted or something that you have around. So according to the season, so this time it's going to be about the spring. I leave the links of these amazing creators in my description box, as well as the playlist of all the amazing creators. So let's move on to DIY number 2. For this, I'm also taking one of this thrifted item from Goodwill, and I think it's $1.79 and it's such a beautiful green water can, and it's ceramic one, and it has like a nice florals that are actually popping out. I wanted to decorate those and show those in a different dimension, so I'm doing the same mixture, the white paint, caulk and baking soda mixture, and I gave like a couple of coats, and this is how it looks after several coats. And I'm going to use the same technique of sanding it down. So I'm taking this another sanding paper, and this is all from Dollar Tree again, and I'm just sanding it down so those beautiful 3D flowers appear, and this is how it looks after they are all sanded it down. I'm kind of happy with this, so I'm going to dust it down with some paper towel, and after it is all dusted and clean, I'm going to decorate it with some flowers stuffed with some brown paper that came in packaging, and to just give like a little depth to it. And I'm going to stick all this flower bunch, and I got this beautiful pink flower bunch from Dollar Tree. I think they are daisies, and I just stuck them in the flower vase just like that. And I also gave like a little decor with one of the jute twine as a bow around the vase, and this is how it looks after it is completely done. So you have to let me know what you think about it. On to DIY number 3, and this is one of the beautiful black vase. It's got like nice decorations to it. It's 79 cents. I can't believe I got for 79 cents. This has got already nice decorations to it. All it needs is one beautiful flower on top of it, and this I got from Dollar Tree, and it's going well with the decor of this particular vase. And I'm taking a couple of pieces from this flower bunch and arranging it, and this is how it looks after it's all decorated. And let's move on to the final reveal. This is my painted shell, silver painted shell with a nice garland, and you can see the beautiful details of the shell that is popping out from the painted dish. And this is one of my favorites, and I'm just loving the whole decor of it. You can put some flowers or anything, but I wanted to decorate with a shell because I already decorated flowers for the other ones. So yeah, this is one of it. And that garland is also I made from Dollar Tree items. I just collected like green beads, and I actually painted with one of the multi-surface green paint and created a tassel with twine, and this is actually going along very well with this decor. So yeah, this is one of it. I'm just loving this whole piece, so you have to let me know what you think in the comment section as well. And this is our next DIY, which is actually a watering can. If you can see the beautiful details of the watering can, you can see the red flowers and yellow center, and I filled with beautiful pink flowers. I think those are daisies, and with a cute bow with a jute twine on top, and it looks like a farmhouse style watering can or decor. And this is one of my next favorite. You have to let me know what you think about it in the comment section as well. The next one is this beautiful water jug kind of a looking decor, and it has like fine details of already pre-decorated, so gorgeous with black and beige. And also I just decorated with one top wooden flower set that I got from Dollar Tree, and this completes the whole look of this vase, and I'm just loving this whole decor of it. I hope you will also like it. Yeah, please let me know about this as well in the comment section. And these are all few of the thrifted items that I got from Goodwill, and I try to give them a new life and use it around the house, and I'm very much happy how these turned out. You have to let me know what you think about it in the comment section as well. And I hope you enjoyed watching and walking along with me. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet and you want to see more like this, I hope you would consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.